Bemana, your friend saying
Aziz Haruna DARI.
Aziz,
Haruna DARI.
welcome to Asante Kotoko.
Thank you.
What does this mean for you, for your family, and Obia were concerned about your future?
I think it's a very big opportunity, and I'm very, very happy for this opportunity. Again, some family in I Kotoko for. So me honor this opportunity by me now, so no, I think say I was very proud and I was very, very happy. And my hesitate to say, yeah, may I accept Kotoko, and I say I just accepted them, and for now I'm here.
What's your first contact? No, na show was say a real and I say a real. Who contacted you first? Now, oh, your nervous at that moment. What was the feeling in that moment? First time I would say there's a contact from Kotoko. When I communicating now, how was you feeling?
Yeah, I think say my first source, no, Emma me who say no, this is real because Coach Kwesi up here and a friend make a say this saying oh, am I ready? Now because oh, I'm ever ready. And again, Coach Prince and so friend make a say this say, am I ready? And I'm always ready. And me and Kasam Papa so continue so friend make a say this saying oh, I'm so okay, I'm ever ready. Yeah.
I didn't know what Kotoko. Woman say I didn't know what Kotoko. Emma club na special and them dear na what want Emma the decision to come to Kotoko. Easy no.
Kotoko, one of the biggest club in Ghana and Africa. And my family very, very, very proud. Say, our team almost supported from our club, na omoba take part in this club. I think say money budget, and it was one of my very, very big motive. I made about Kotoko for my family to be happy. So they be able to say, okay, omoba be abede, on so I will Kotoko da, and I'm very happy. Say be a Maba.
Aziz, Kotoko in history
Yeah.
has we've never lacked good quality goalkeepers. And goalkeeping yeah, they are big of a problem. Don't check it Kotoko history. And my pressure people also and I say a motivation for you to double up your Juma Warriors to be better and to be recognized as one of those good goalkeepers in the history of the club.
Yeah, I think say me and my first call no say be a Kotoko in here me no. Me and Kasami who say okay, then I've been doing a very, very good job, and I carry me to this level. Other part, so make us say pressure because Osha Kotokola, there's a lot of very great goalkeepers. Omaba Kotoko, Abesenyako. So if say also Oba Kotoko, you have to do very a double work. We say okay, we are the right person to be in this position. No, so I think say other hand no pressure, other hand no say very big motivation.
Do you think you have what it takes to live up to the pressure, however?
Yes, I think I'm very ready for pressure, any expectation. Yeah, baby.
Has there been a Kotoko goalkeeper? Or like when you do the goalkeeping, or be an person, when you say when you had a chance to meet now, yeah, about the person when you so.
Asari, one of them, and I love how he plays, especially using the foot. And Danlad is my brother, my friend. I'm going to communicate every time. And Danlad too is one of the best goalkeepers among Ghana. And I look up to them, and I'm very, very happy to also be here just for them. Yeah.
The goalkeeping idol,
Abdullah Idrisu.
Abdullah, formerly of BG.
Yes.
Okay. Aziz, yeah, Thank you.
Thank you very much.